For many people, a perfectly chiseled six-pack is the symbol of peak physical fitness. However, today I'm going to be sharing how maintaining an extremely lean physique, like the fake natties you see on social media, is not only extremely unrealistic, but led to the most traumatic injury of my life so far. Growing up, I was that skinny kid, obsessing over Marvel superheroes such as Wolverine, who was brought to life by the fellow Aussie legend, Hugh Jackman. Inspired, I embarked on a relentless journey in the gym, chasing my dream physique. Through 7 grueling years of early morning workouts, consuming countless calories and shrugging off the laughter from my peers, I finally built a body I could be confident in. However, my pursuit to maintain a ridiculously low body fat percentage was at the detriment to my overall progress in the gym. Despite looking extremely fit on the surface, the hidden truth was that my well-being had hit an all-time low. I felt like a walking zombie, getting cracked out on caffeine just to complete my workouts, where every day was a constant battle against fatigue. My energy reserves were perpetually drained as I was always on a severe calorie deficit, and I didn't have enough body fat to use as energy, so I was constantly operating on empty. The fatigue was not only physical though. Fats, especially essential fatty acids, are crucial for the body's neurological function. As my body fat diminished, my brain became starved of energy, leading to prolonged spells of brain fog, which clouded my concentration, even on the simplest of tasks. Then there was the issue of cortisol, the stress hormone. The link between body composition and stress levels was something that I had underestimated. As my body fat decreased, my cortisol surged, triggering a spike in anxiety and disrupting my sleep. My system seemed to be in a state of perpetual alert, misinterpreting my leanness for a state of starvation. Compounded by my reduced capacity for water retention, I found myself waking up constantly throughout the night to piss, which only further disturbed my sleep. Metabolic rate also took a hit. The thyroid gland, which regulates metabolic rate, became less active. This downregulation was my body's way of conserving energy as it would in a famine situation. This meant that I had to consume even less calories to maintain my physique, which was excessively mentally draining. There's one additional side effect which ended up causing me the most damage. Reduced body fat diminishes the body's natural shock absorption and insulation, leaving joints more vulnerable. Without sufficient energy reserves, muscle fatigue sets in more quickly, increasing the likelihood of strains, sprains, and muscle tears. So what seemed to be the perfect day to enjoy the hot summer sun quickly turned deadly. I tore a 17-centimeter hole right in the muscle belly of my hamstring while water skiing, inflicting agonizing pain which nearly led me to drown. This incident marked the most traumatizing injury I had ever experienced, with excessive bruising and swelling that left my leg looking like Rainbow Road from Mario Kart. The road to recovery was long, demanding months of rehabilitation just to regain the ability to walk. Despite this setback, I remained dedicated to the gym, sticking to a rigorous recovery routine so that I could restore the strength in my hamstring. Having not only restored, but surpassing my previous strength levels, I entered a new chapter for my fitness journey. With a focus on building a more robust and healthier physique, I increased my body fat to a more sustainable level. So now it's time to return to the skis and face the very activity that tore that 17-centimeter hole in my hamstring. First ski back since the traumatic